guys, welcome back to another video. Oh, can I turn this on? Because I don't copyright. Welcome back to another video. Today is such a cool day because I worked. Hold on. So today I started work. I started work today at 7:15. I was supposed to get off at 3:45, but there's a way that we can. What? Hold on, honey. Oh Lord. Okay, I turned it on. He needs the mobile hotspot so he can get on like YouTube or whatever he's trying to get on. He can't play and he's frustrated. So today I worked. I was supposed to go up at 3:45, and then David didn't have to be at his event because he's a caterer. He didn't have to be at his event until 2:30. So he was like, it'll be cool if you can come because there's like an outlet over there, like a mall, and it's on the beach, like the event. So I was like, ooh, it'll be perfect. It's nice and hot. Look at those ambulances.
These those ADHD.
This is the ambulance I was talking about that was on the bridge, and they're all green. I've never seen green ones before. Have you? They're usually red. Anyway, don't make fun of my disorder. I really do think I have ADHD though, for real. But at my job there's a way to get like early released if it's slow, because I work at a call center. So if it's really, really slow, then I could get early release if I submit the email. So David was like, just do the early release. I was like, you know what, I might just do that, because I totally wasn't even thinking of that. And I was like, it's slow today, so I submitted it. And then I was like, but you have to leave here by 1:30. So I don't know if they're gonna give me a release that early. I came back from lunch, and then I was on the phone with the guest, and I saw the email, and I was like, let me hurry and get off this phone with this guest so I can get the heck out of here. And so I had like 30 minutes or so to get ready. And so can you stop? Nothing. What are you watching? So it was perfect. Like, I already had took a shower like before when I was on my lunch, and so I was like already ready, like starting to get ready just in case. But my hopes was low. I was like, they gonna do it as soon as you leave. Watch.
She kept saying that.
I was like, they gonna do it. They gonna do me dirty. But it was like 12:45, and that email came through. I was like, ooh, I'm out of here. So we are on the way. I think he said we were going to San Juan Capistrano.
So that area.
In that area, I don't really know that area like that.
It's like close to the mission area.
That's where I went. We went on a field trip to San Juan Capistrano. It was elementary. I don't know, between 3rd and 5th grade. And so we saw like the old like building. What are they called? I don't even know. Did a whole project on it and everything. But like the buildings that are made out of clay and stuff like that. The mission. Yeah. So we had to, when we got back from our field trip, we had an at-home assignment that we had to build a small model of what we saw of our, like, in our head, like, you know. And it was so cool. Like, we had the like little rocks and stuff, and I did the project with my grandma, and then we made pita bread, I think it was called. It was like that type of bread that they eat with a little pocket and stuff. It was fun. Now I remember. But I still don't know what grade that was in, but it was fun. I don't know, what are you watching? Something with Toy Story. Because that's Woody's laugh.
Oh, I'm probably watching the credits.
Yeah. Why are you not in the carpool? Behind this slow opening.
Because it wasn't moving.
I know. We're in traffic right now, so it's not like the best scenery for me to show y'all, but once we get closer to the beach, it's gonna be so pretty. Got some like beach towel and some trunks for crew just in case she wants to get in the water. But yeah, I can't wait just to like eat. I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. Can I pop by your event and get some food? I'm with them. I'm cousin. I'm their second cousin, third removed, brought back into the family. Then I was removed again, but they still accept me.
If I was the lead, I'd probably should do something.
I'm like, what? Because I'm black? Huh? I can't be family?
I don't know who's getting married.
I'm like, you don't remember we went to high school together?
You gotta look at the name and see if it's a white or black man. Or Asian name.
Yeah, but on ours, the stats, you would think that it would be just like Asian, but it was mostly black people there.
Oh, yeah.
But I'll see y'all when we get there. I'm excited. So. The best impromptu day. Like totally unplanned, but kind of planned. These are some nice houses. This is not unreachable, you know. I said it's not unreachable. Mm-hmm. You know, you see these houses and you're like, oh man, I wish I could. You can, you know. It's just, these people didn't get here for, you know, getting his stuff handed to them. So,
yeah, they got old money. They got that old money.
Some people work hard though. Work hard. Yeah. Blaze Pizza. I love Blaze.
I haven't even been in here.
You just know about it?
I just know about it because I drive by it all the time.
Oh, cool. What is it called? Huh? So, I said, what's it called so I can know where I'm going? Oh, no.
Google the Blaze Pizza because it's right here.
Sure.
Only 2 times.
Yeah. Okay. I'm sure you're gonna come back. I don't know.
I might have to be looking for parking. It looks like everybody looking for parking.
I know, right?
Look right here.
Hey, you guys. So I'm in the driver's seat now. So we made it to. Yeah, we made it to the beach. It's so pretty over here. I'm so happy that we get to be here with Babe. We were at work with Daddy. Well, we're not at his event, but his event's like right here. And then up the street is the little plaza that y'all just saw. So we about to go there. And then we're just going to walk around and we're going to have a good time. We're going to be here till tonight. So this is going to be so much fun. I've been wanting to go to the beach this year. We haven't gone. So waiting on Daddy to come back with parking pass so I could park in here where I don't have to look for parking. So, because when he takes the car, he usually gets the parking pass so he can park in here. I think you have to have one or something. So, waiting for him to come back. Yeah, he had the steering wheel cover off because they made fun of him at work. They're like, nice steering wheel cover. He's like, this is my wife's. And I just put it on right now. Almost broke a nail. Because your girl's nails is, look at these. I need to get them done. But I'm going to get my nails done right before we leave. So I'm going to get them done this coming up week. Today is Saturday. So happy Sabbath to my Seventh-day Adventists out there. Or people that go to church on Sunday. This is awesome. Cannot wait. I'm just trying to see. Like, we don't even, like, need air conditioning out here. This is fabulous. Like, I just want to bottle this air up and take it with me back home. But yeah, we about to go get something to eat, and then we'll go down to the beach. And yeah, but I'm sure Crew's really hungry. I'm hungry, so we're gonna go get something to eat once Daddy brings the parking pass, and then we're gonna walk around. Y'all gonna come with us. So see you guys in a minute. some samples from Pressed, so I'm about to try it. I got a citrus, and then one was citrus, and then one was apple, orange, mango. This one's apple, orange, mango. So let's see. That's bomb. Were you picking the leaf? Good job. This one's like a citrus. Ooh. This one's like, ooh, that kind of smells kind of strong. I should have did that one first. You picking off the stuff? What is that? The plant? Oh wow, buddies. Yeah. Are you hungry? Let's figure out what to eat. So I'm gonna figure out what to eat. I really want some Blaze pizza. I've been wanting Blaze for a minute, but Crew's not gonna eat the pizza, I don't think. So I have to find something that he'll eat too, if there is anything around here. I just want some nuggets. I don't know how big this plaza is, but I think it goes inward. Trolley. Starbucks. Got movie theaters. Bro, you wanna go to the movies? We gotta eat first. They got a seafood shack. Let's go over there. Oh, they got samples.
Hi, would you like an apple pineapple?
Yes. Thank you.
You're vlogging or what?
Huh?
You're vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Hi. Thank
Would
you.
your son want any?
Girl, no. He don't like fruit.
That's sugar.
I know, right? He doesn't like sugar either.
Oh my.
I'm surprised. I mean, it's kind of good because his teeth are good, but
Yeah.
he won't, no.
Alright,
Have a good one. That is good, though. You said strawberry. What did you say it was? What kind was that? Oh, I thought that was a real person. All right. I feel like a, ooh, I smell Auntie Annie's. I knew I smelled Auntie Annie's. I can smell Auntie Annie's anywhere. Oops, sorry, go ahead. Ooh, we can eat at Ruby's Diner for her crew. You want to eat there, Bear? We're probably going to eat at Ruby's Diner. I feel like a tourist because I'm filming. But I thought it was parking right here. I think it's VIP. So we're going to eat at Ruby's Diner a little bit. And then after, we're going to walk around and go look in the stores and stuff. Ruby's Diner. Alright, y'all. So we just ordered our food. Let me see if I can set that up so it's not shaky. Hopefully y'all can see me. Alright, y'all, so I just ordered our food. So then let me turn it down a little bit. That's pretty good. So we I just ordered our food, and so I got a Sprite for a drink. And then I guess I'm going vegan today, y'all, because I ordered some crispy green beans, which I've been wanting some either like green beans or some tempura, something like coated, or I like fried zucchini. So that's like an appetizer thing, so just for like myself. And then I got a salad. I got a apple pecan blue cheese salad. I think I said all of the ingredients. And so yeah, no meat today, so which is cool. I just been wanting something like light and airy because I'm at the beach. We at the beach, huh, crew? Yep, he got my phone. I'd rather give him my phone and take that away than his tablet. I feel like he wouldn't throw a fit as much, but yeah, we were like right off the beach. See over there? The water is over there. It's so nice. Oh my god, I want to move here. I'm sorry, it's so dark. I want to move here, y'all. I can't wait, but we're gonna show you. Yeah, we're gonna show you the food once it gets here. See how it is. It's funny because we actually have this Ruby's Diner right up the street from my house, and I've never gone. So maybe if I like it here, we'll go over there and eat. It's funny, I had to come an hour away to come eat here. So nice. I'm so happy. I can't stop smiling.
Yay!
Oh, sweetheart. Yes, thank you. No, you're fine.
Apple pecan and blue cheese
Yes,
salad.
ooh, that looks
And
so good.
I'm gonna move the salad really quick. Do you need anything else?
Just some napkins.
We do have some right there.
girl.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry. It's been a long day. Don't worry about it.
I know. I worked and everything, and now we're here.
Now we're here.
What a better way to end your day, right? Have a good one.
You guys
Thank you.
enjoy.
Hey, you took my phone. Hey, that's mine. All right, it's time to eat now. All right, look, crew, fries. Fries, buddy. We're not eating. I'll eat it. All right, crew's having a fit. Here's crew's food. Some Tenders. I need you to stop. Do not push me. Do not push me. Here's my crispy green beans. Here's my crispy green beans. Ooh, they look so good. Oops. About to mess it up. Here's my salad, y'all. Don't this look so good? Oh my gosh. Yeah, there you go. You're getting a little hangry. You're a little hangry. Look, baby. Stop, please. Alright, I'm gonna cut open his, or cut up his tenders for him. Yeah, fry. Alright. Ooh, these some nice sized tenders. This salad looks so good. See the tenders? They're so good. A little hot though. But, this looks so good. Mommy is so hungry. I gotta take a picture of her food before I put some on. Gotta take it for the thumbnail too. We've been prepared today. I got my light, like my light. I got my battery charger, extra batteries. Oh, you don't want to hear me talk? I got my green beans. Oh yeah, green beans. Oh, this looks so good. Yeah, it does, honey. So try my food out. I'm gonna try these green beans first. Let's see. Let's see what they're talking about. I don't know what this sauce is. I didn't even like read.
It was Starbucks. I thought you were gonna sit there, but no, just this was to have Sunny. I know, that's why I wanted the sun too. But then Ashley was waiting. I mean, you can sit here. You want less sun? Okay.
Oh, bird. That was good.
Alright, guys.
Nothing can ruin my day. Now hear me? Nothing can ruin my day.
Like a fancy.
You either crew.
They have like the different styles.
No. You eat your hand, huh? Oh my God. This is like a perfect day for today. I just want to thank my husband for being so thoughtful. My husband's so thoughtful, y'all. Like, I had the best husband, hands down, period. I don't care what nobody say. Not the birds flying off. Not the bird. Huh, not the bird. Right, we're about to eat, chow down, and then we're about to walk around. Sorry, y'all. I want to like try the salad on camera for you. So there's raisins in here, pecans, apples, blue cheese. I think I had everything in like a spring mix. So I'm trying to get everything on my, so I can try everything at once. I like this. It's like not too heavy. I didn't get nothing but lettuce on that one. That's good. Ooh, and that pecan and this candy too, y'all. These apples, bomb. Oh no, I'm about to enjoy my food. It's okay. Got like music in the background, so I'm just gonna show y'all what I see. y'all, I'm out of that clothes store. I could not, like, I was like, oh, these stuff is like, you know, most of the stuff, some of the stuff is cute, but some stuff I was just like, it's expensive. Like, anybody, she's like, let me open up a room for you. I was like, okay. I had to sneak out there real quick. I had to just, hopefully they didn't see me. I felt bad, but no, your girl. I mean, I can get an item or two from there, but like, I'm trying to get outfits. But now we're inside this one store. Stop touching stuff. We're in this one store. It's like really, really beach friendly. Like, so cool. Let me show you. Pretty. I like this. Oh yeah, you guys, I just dropped my phone so hard. Oh my God, I was praying. Oh my God, it's okay. I need to get a case off of Amazon. It goes over the whole camera. Knowing me, I'm gonna need one of them. I feel bad leaving that one store because she was so nice to me. It's like when you get good customer service and then you don't even really want the stuff from there. And I gotta walk right by it again. But I'm gonna walk on the other side so they can't see me. But I'm about to, hey, I'm about to go to the bathroom real quick, and then we're gonna, I don't know, depends how I feel after I go to the bathroom, because you know, girl gotta go. That salad was so good. I didn't finish my salad or my green beans. I got full surprisingly, but I got me and Crew's food in here, so it's okay because we can eat it later once we get hungry again. But I'm gonna go in the bathroom. Look how cute this stuff is. They have like, look, Connect 4, like these beanbag things you can throw. All right, so I'm gonna go to the bathroom, and then I want to get some frozen yogurt before we head to the beach. So we'll see. I really want some because this, I mean, I can get some later, right? It's like no rush. I'm pretty sure this place will be open still. I don't know. I had to see the closing hours. I'm out of breath. I'm about to go to the bathroom. I don't know why these bathrooms look fancy as heck. Real quick, y'all. They have like a actually nice changing pad in here. And then a small toilet for Crew and a big toilet. That is so cute. Gotta go to the bathroom. We're at the beach. Crew's just like throwing the rocks in the sand. Stay over here, love. Wanna get in the water, baby? Waves are so nice. Ooh, I can't wait. This way, wanna take your shoes off? Sit down. Sit down. Shoes off. Oh, the sand, there's rocks in there. Let's go in the water. Wow. Can you dig? Want to dig? You want to get down and dirty, huh? Yeah. Alright, y'all. So we're here at the beach, finally. A little bird. Say hi, bird. So my batteries are low as heck. Like, I didn't even get to charge them. So you guys are just gonna have to follow me on my Instagram if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, because I'm gonna have some clips. Whoa, good job, baby. You want this one? Okay. Oh, okay. Dump it out. Yeah. Dump it out, butter. Come get us. I know. Come on. Uh-oh, mommy's pants. Crew is coming to get you. Look, it's coming. Oh, it's coming. Almost got you. I got you. You want to walk closer? We stand right here. It's going to get our feet. It's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. Woo! It's cold. It's cold.
New text message from Hubs.
We're eating in the car after the beach. Got our leftovers. I'm about to eat these green beans. And look at this. Look at the view though. Look at the view. And this is so beautiful. It's so relaxing just to hear the waves. So I'm gonna lay back in my chair here and we eating. We relaxing. So this is great. This is so relaxing. So much. Like, this is so needed. Like, for real. For real. I wish I would have brought my sunscreen for my face, but it's okay. The sun's not really beating on us, but I put some on before I left, so it should be okay. Having fun. Crew was having a good old time in the sand, or pebbles as you can call it. But it was fun. It was nice and relaxing. So I'm just gonna sit here, take in these waves, take in the sound, take time to relax. I always feel like I'm like going and going and going. But we about to speak life into ourselves. I'm gonna watch my tongue on how I say and speak about myself, because it's like you're speaking that into you. You know what I mean? So I was gonna say something, that's why I mentioned that, but I don't got it. Who's tired? So we about to eat and then see if I can put him down for a nap. See if I can put him down. You getting sand in your eye? Let me see. Let me see. Don't rub it. Stop rubbing it. Probably because it's in your hair.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. We have watermelon. Oh, about to say non-alcoholic. About to say, give it to me. Strawberry shortcake, campfire strawberries, mango tart sunrise. I always get tart, so let's get a cup. Do you want some yogurt? Do you want yogurt? Got the toppings. I got my yogurt, so I just got like 3 flavors and some toppings. That's not mine. And then we came here. I got crew 2 of these apple juices that they have. Whoa! Hey there. And then I got I wasn't gonna get nothing, but I'm here and I'm smelling everything and it smells so good. So I got my usual, my chai tea latte with almond milk. I usually either get almond milk or soy, but I don't know. But oh my god, I can't wait to take a shower to get home, y'all. I feel so dirty. I feel so dirty. Hopefully babe hopefully he doesn't get off too late, because that's why we're still here, is because he's catering to a wedding, and I know y'all saw a little bit of them walking down to the beach in a couple clips ago. Y'all saw them walking to the beach, so taking pictures and stuff. So he said he should be done around 8 maybe, so that's in about an hour, but we'll play it by ear. We'll see. I ain't tripping. Listen, I'm at the beach. I'm excited. When I'm at the beach, I don't care, y'all. Nothing can mess me up. Listen, we can be here. Listen, I ain't gonna say that. I don't want to say that because I'm a jinx it. I'm about to say we can be here till 10, but I want to be here till 10. But we can be here for a while, and I'm just gonna be happy. I don't know how I'm gonna do it because crew's so so distraught. I might have to just let him cry it out. But I don't want to give him his tablet back. What do you think I should do, y'all? Because his tablet's gonna die soon. So should I just let him have it till it dies? And then after that, just put him to sleep the rest of the night. I don't know. We'll see. Because he needs to go to take a nap. I need to take a nap. I'm just gonna, we gonna get our stuff. Waiting for my drink. And then, I don't even think they didn't put it out on the thing. But as soon as we go, we're gonna go back to the car because my yogurt is in the bag, is in the stroller. Your nose is running. My yogurt is in the stroller, and so I wanna eat it. Ooh, it's on your nose. Oh, Jesus. I wanna eat my yogurt like as I'm chilling. So I don't know. I'm trying to hurry up so we can get back to the car so we can do that and just enjoy the rest of this beach scenery, weather. It's just amazing. So I'll see y'all back at the car.
To be sincere, feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure and clear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in. No.